What are the 3 top products every nail technician should have?
I'm going to have to say, of course, a crystal katana tool, a selection of wonderful Swarovski crystals, and the proper glue to adhere them with.
A high quality lamp, a high quality e-file, and a good dust vent.
First one would probably be Shiny Gel, which is the #1 gel top coat in the world. It's really thin, really high gloss, and it's just an incredible product, and it's really universal, so you can use it with everything. I think second would probably be maybe the pink mini toy nail drill, because it makes your job so much easier. It's very powerful, and it's pink. And then the next product would be, I think, my acrylic system, because it's very innovative, very easy to use, and now it's expanded. So it's just an even wider array of possibilities that you can use with the product.
Would be a good base coat, solid colors, and a shiny top coat.